Hello, Snickers and Butterfingers. So today we're going to be continuing with our review for the benchmark by focusing on order of operations and substitution. So first, before you do anything, pause this video if you need it, write down the order of operations on the top. I'm going to start with this first problem. This problem is a little bit tricky and you're going to see a problem exactly like it on the benchmark. So I'm just going to go through this one and then I think you guys can do the rest on your own. So 5x squared plus x, where x equals 2. So before you do any order of operations, the first thing that you need to do is substitute. You can't simplify if you have variables still in. So first you need to substitute. So x equals 2. Usually when we substitute, we need to put parentheses around the variable. In this case, I'm not going to because I know that in this case it won't make a difference because it's just going to be squared and plus. It really makes a difference when you have multiplication. So rewrite it with 2 in place of x. Now I'm going to simplify using my order of operations. So first I need to look at parentheses. But inside of these parentheses, I still have exponents. So within this first step of order of operations, I still need to follow the rest of the order. So I need to do exponents first, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So first I'm going to solve the exponent within my parentheses. I know that 2 squared is the same thing as 2 times 2, so I'm going to simplify it and put it as 4. Put the parentheses around all of it. Keep those parentheses there because we're simplifying what's inside the parentheses. And then rewrite everything exactly the same way. So now that I've done exponents inside the parentheses, I need to do multiplication and division. I see that I don't have any, so I'll put an x here and do addition and subtraction. And so I'm going to simplify 4 plus 2, which is 6, and then rewrite everything exactly the same way. All right, so now I'm completely done with my parentheses, which means I need to move on to exponents. I don't have any, I just have 5 times 6, so I'll just finish it from here. So it's multiplication and division. I don't have any exponents. Oops. So the answer would be 5 times 6, which is 30. So in the end, my final answer will be 30. Okay, just quickly for this next problem, what you're doing when you have 4x plus 2y, in the substitution, all that you do is put the 3 in for x because x equals 3, so it would be 4 times 3, and then we know that y equals 1 and 4/10, so it would be 2 times, 1 and 4/10. Then when you solve this, you don't have any parentheses, you don't have any exponents, you just have multiplication and division. So you need to solve 4 times 3, and then you need to solve 2 times 1.4, and then you'd add those two terms together. I'm going to let you do this on your own. Remember to be careful about how you multiply decimals. You need to add up the digits behind the decimal and each of the factors to figure out how many digits behind the decimal in your problem. All right, I know you guys will do a great job at this. Remember, it's +5 if the worksheet is complete, but it's a lunch detention if it's not. So really stay focused back here and get this worksheet completed. Good luck.